I didn't make money this week. So with that understanding, I'm gonna talk about how to handle losing streaks, because I know if I have to go through this, somebody else is also gonna have to go through it. If you learn a skill, you have $1 billion worth of game.
You just gotta work at it every day. Consistency every day, improving 1% a day.
Money mindset trading, that's the name of the game. That's all I know about, money mindset and trading. Can't speak about anything I don't know about. Remember that you only lose as much as you allow yourself to. You only make as much as you allow yourself to make. You control all of it.
Good morning, everybody. Ooh, that sun's hitting. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday morning. It's not as early as it usually is because, as you guys know, on the weekends there's no trading. And honestly, I'm kind of glad that there's no trading. I'm just getting my mind right after having like a shitty last 2 weeks. Like the last 2 weeks have been extremely shitty. Haven't had the best month overall, but we've made money. But overall, my accounts in drawdown nonetheless. $1,000 accounts in drawdown nonetheless. But for the most part, like I said, I'm just happy that the market is closed. I can enjoy everything else about life without having the worries about being in a trade, the market conditions, none of that shit. But we do have VIP sessions tonight and then tomorrow morning. So we're going to be on the charts with that stuff. But nonetheless, there's not going to be actual charts. There's not going to be actual trading. So with that being said, we're going to have a great day. Right now, I'm about to take a walk with the dogs. Right over here, because right over here they have like the stuff going on. They got music, like you guys might hear it before I end up going down there, but the music over there is loud. So we're gonna end up taking these dogs over there, no cap. So we're gonna get the day started. We're gonna have a productive day. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to get my girlfriend to work at 3 o'clock. And then from there, gym, content, VIP session for some of the content to cash program. I got a lot of just inside work to do today. Just another day at the end of the day, and I'm gonna continue to give value. I gotta go on Instagram Live once again, just giving value. Same shit, different day. Every day's the same, and the fact that it's Saturday, the only thing's different, the market's closed. But back from walking the dogs, y'all can probably hear the music now. I don't even need to put my own music on. I can just listen to that. Close this shit before I get copyrighted and shit, man. They trying to set me up today. And we back, we active. It's just us now. My girlfriend's at work. It's just us. It's a little bit of a later start. It's 2 o'clock right now, but it's the weekend. As you guys know, there's no trading and I don't do the VIP sessions in the morning. There's not really much for me to do. I like doing all my stuff kind of back to back. So if I do a lot of stuff in the morning, I got too much free time during the rest of the day. So I spent the time with my girlfriend, use that time efficiently, and now we're about to be going to work. But first, I'm about to go drive to the crib. I'm gonna get some food, and then we're gonna go to the gym. That's gonna be the plan of action as of right now. Get some pizza, because there was somebody in the comments, there was like, eat better. I'm like, bro, it was one slice of pizza. I need to gain weight, if anything. I should be eating 20 of those damn pizzas. I need to gain some weight. But I'm gonna go get some pizza, get myself a nice little drink. It'll be a cool little $10 meal. I may be making a little bit of money, but guess what? I gotta be able to keep my money too, so I'm not gonna go out to eat every night. I was going out to eat every night a little while ago, and I was wilding out for no reason. I was just, enjoying the fruits of my labor, but you gotta do it to experience it to then understand. You don't need it all the time. Remain humble. Put yourself in uncomfortable positions so you can actually work efficiently, and that's what I feel like I perform best in. But today we're going to talk a lot about money, monetizing your trading outside of actually taking profit on trades, because most people don't realize if you learn a skill, you have $1 billion worth of game. Trust me, even if you haven't made $1 billion yet, keyword, yet, if you have a skill, you have something that somebody wants. You now have the leverage, and that's the thing most people don't take advantage of. They learn something, they just try to make money with it. You can turn that knowledge and that skill that you have for making money into 10, 20 different incomes. Trust me, we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna put you guys on game today. Put you guys on some fucking game. You come here every day, I'm gonna give you something to leave with. Back home, and they're still out there, unfortunately. But dogs, it's about that time. But first, I got like a mean ass headache right now, bro. I swore I had Tylenol somewhere. Please be in here. Aha! I need that. My head is busting. But besides that, dogs, y'all about to be free. It's time for our walk. I told you when I get back, I got you. I promise. I'm a man of my word. First day that is damn near empty in the gym. It's actually empty right now. I'm the only person in here, which is why I'm able to get this content right now, but it's a beautiful gym. It's just always packed. It's the weekend though, which explains why nobody's probably here. But guess what? I had to show up every single day this week to find out that Saturdays might be the day that people don't work out. So just so you know, there's a lesson in that. If I wouldn't have gone to the gym because it was too busy, I would have never found the little sweet spots that I would actually be able to fully record, not just get content without me talking, but actually get talkable content. Because guess what? If I just would have been like, nah, there's probably people at the gym, I'm not gonna bring the camera, I would have been sick. I come prepared every day. Even though I come to the gym sometimes and I don't get content on the tripod just because there's a lot of people and I wanna respect everyone's space, you just gotta work at it every day. Consistency every day, improving 1% a day. It's a weird analogy. It sounded a little bit better in my head, but all these videos are just me, my thoughts to myself, speaking them to you guys, because just like everybody in VIP, just like anybody in the YouTube videos that watch my videos, we're no different, bro. Just the only thing different is what I've done and what I've learned and what I've applied. Simple as that. I just want these videos to be a way of documenting my journey and to show you guys what's possible and to show you guys exactly how to do it. I don't hide much from you guys. I just get deeper when it comes to shit. I just get deeper in VIP, more information, more live experience, one-on-ones. Just, I don't hide nothing from you guys. I just go deeper and deeper in all the programs and everything. But yeah, let me show you the gym. Yeah, you can see, this is usually where I come over and record. I like to get in this corner over here, put my camera here so I can kind of face it this way, because usually all the people on the tripods, usually all the people on the treadmills are like over there. So if I get the camera like facing this way, like that, I usually don't get no one. But I like how there's corners and stuff, because I can put the cameras in corners, such as this one, and be able to continue recording content.
Let me add a ravine. When I smell the smoke, nigga, I turn to gasoline.
Music on in the background. So shit's crazy. They've been doing that shit all day. It's a little unfortunate. It's 7 o'clock already, but nonetheless, we're about to have our live call when it comes to not VIP. Is going to be on Instagram. So if you guys didn't tap in, because this is going to get posted after the fact, tap in. I'm going to be going live all the time on Instagram, giving free value. If you got any questions, comments, concerns about VIP, about the free course, about trading, money, mindset, anything, go to the live streams. I'm active, and we about to get straight to it. I got my laptop over here also, so we about to just get value. We got about an hour until the actual VIP session at 8 o'clock. So we got some time right now. We got time, so we're gonna give value because that's what we love to do, and that's what keeps us in these productive moods. But matter of fact, let me connect my laptop to the speaker because I'm gonna use my phone to go on Instagram Live. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys there. Top Step can trade options on it? No, you can't trade options. What camera do you film your vlogs on? So right here, I got it filming right now actually, but it's a Canon R8. Canon R8. I have a Rode microphone. This camera by itself was $1,600. This lens was $300. This wireless microphone, the one I have right here, was $200. This tripod was $40. Like higher end traders, how much capital? So in your account, I would say you need 100,000 plus, like actual live money, 100,000 plus. And even then, that's still risking a good amount to make 10,000, 20,000 per trade. That would be risking 10%. That would be risking 5 to 10% per trade on a 100K account. Be ready for people to start calling you a scammer, Brody. It's coming, you finna blow shit. It's already happening, bro. I have a Canon T6i Rebel, but it looks so grainy. I would say, think about getting a better lens. A lens does a lot of the work. I would say, because the lens will be cheaper, just check the lenses. You might be able to get a good lens that'll basically change. I'd rather invest into a good lens versus a good camera. Money, mindset, trading, that's the name of the game. That's all I know about, money, mindset, and trading. Can't speak about anything I don't know about. It's about to be time for the VIP call. We just got done when it comes to the Q&A. It was 40 minutes, bro. 40 minutes a game. If you was there, you was there. It's just one of the things I love to do, bro. I say this all the time, bro. Trading doesn't give me the same fulfillment that it does to give value to someone. And not even just saying giving value trading wise, giving value in any way, shape, or form. Having someone come to me and be able to say, you've changed my life. The saying what I've told them has worked. Saying what I've taught them has worked. Even if it's in the free course, whether it's in the paid VIP, whatever it is, that's what I like, bro. That's the shit that I will sit there and I will actually smile. When I win a trade, I don't even fucking, okay, maybe I do smile sometimes when I win my trades, but it's not the same fulfillment. When I win a trade, it feels good for me, right? But when I'm doing this, it feels good because of what I'm doing for other people. That's the difference. And that's why I love to fulfill my day. Fill it with shit like this, giving value to the team, because that's what I love to do. Trading may be what I've been able to do to make money to get me to this position. It's gonna maybe the skill that I learned to put me in this position when it comes to content. But I love giving value to the world. And that's what I do. And that's what I feel like my purpose is. And to teach trading, money, mindset, and everything that I already do. I just teach what I do. I don't teach you how to do anything besides what I do. So that's what we about to do with VIP. We about to hop in the VIP call. We about to give value to the team. I switched the session from being the weekly chart session to the session that we're gonna be doing on essentially handling losing streaks, because since I did have a losing streak, one of the main things that I like to do with the VIP sessions is I like to have the sessions on things that I know I would have needed like help with, stuff like that. Like this week was a losing week for me. I didn't make money this week. So with that understanding, I'm gonna talk about how to handle losing streaks, because I know if I have to go through this, somebody else is also gonna have to go through it. And if I have to go through it and somebody else is gonna go through it, that's something that's gonna be valuable and change their life. So I'm gonna be making sure I give it to them, pause, to help them. You know what I mean? Of the last week is more something that's actually within the frame of what just happened. It will make more sense. Losing streaks is definitely something that everybody's gonna have to learn to handle. Losing streaks is definitely something that everybody's going to have to overcome at some point, and you're gonna have to learn how to get out of drawdown. You're gonna have to learn all these different things, because that's just what it comes down to. We win, we lose, but it's about what's gonna happen more times than less. You're reinforcing yourself that I can do it. After you pass that first funded account, what are the chances that you're gonna be able to do it again? Compared to before you ever pass the funded account, you're thinking this, if it's possible, can I do it? Then you do it one time, you're like, okay, I can do it. Then you do it 2, 3, 4, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta do it, you gotta experience it to understand that it is possible. That's one way going about being able to understand how to handle losses. What's another thing? Losing streaks are gonna happen. One of the things you gotta also realize is look around. One thing that I can do that not everybody else could do is I get feedback from other people. I'm in the VIP calls all the time, but even that you guys are in the calls too, which is very beneficial because you guys gotta go off of each other. Pay attention to the market as a whole. Everybody takes losses. It's not like we're all in here consistently winning all the time. You can't just get in your own head of thinking, okay, I'm supposed to be winning way more than I am. Why am I losing this much? When in reality, look around. Nobody wins all the time. Nobody wins all the time. When I'm having losing streaks, other people are having winning streaks. When I'm having winning streaks, other people are having losing streaks. Look around in the community as itself. I could do that within VIP and see for a fact that there's times where I'm having shitty conditions and there's other people that are also having the same exact reactions to what's price doing. They're saying it's choppy, they're saying it's slow. And it's one of those things that unless I was out there and I'm like essentially in the field of being able to be around all these other people and get all their other opinions from all these other traders, I wouldn't be aware that there's some things like the market conditions not being the best. Remember that you only lose as much as you allow yourself to. You only make as much as you allow yourself to make. You control all of it. You control when you get in, when you get out, how much you lose, how much you make. You control all of it. And that's one thing you gotta understand with your trading. None of it is up to randomness. It's all up to you doing what you're supposed to. You versus you. Now you versus me. Now you versus each other. You versus you. You versus your emotions. You versus yourself. All right, we just got done the VIP call. So we did 40 minutes on the live with Instagram and 40 minutes in VIP. A whole bunch of game today, and just let people in VIP talk about it. Let the results speak for themselves. I'm about to upload this for the people that weren't there to be able to go back and watch it. This is what I do. Just another day doing it. And then from here, gotta get this video edited. I'm probably just gonna end the vlog off with this for the most part. There's not really, I don't wanna go too deep into like just yapping today. It's a Saturday. I didn't really do too much besides create content, give value, and do that. I just keep it simple. I show you guys what I do on a daily basis. I just want to show you guys the reality of it. Not every day is going to be fun. Not every day is going to be glamorous, but we're just working. What got me into this position is not going out and having fun. What got me in this position is simply being here in front of the camera, trading, and giving value. So I'm going to keep doing that every single day. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. If you want to learn how to trade, the free trading concepts, the free course, the free trading webinars, and when you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals, such as the people that were in VIP, just join it. We gonna be there and we gonna be active. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon.